can't give you guys all the sauce, as you know. But for my wheels, my go-to cleaner is a mixture of two things. I have a pre-wash solution I use, and then this brake guard right here. It's real good, especially if you're looking for something that's like hands-free so that you don't have to scrub, because nobody wants that. Jesus Christ, I'll tell you, it's the bottom. Nobody wants, you know, having to scrub your wheels down in the winter time. That's just annoying and pointless, honestly. The dilution for this is about half-half, 50-50, 1-to-1, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be really good at breaking down all that salt and dirt that's been sitting on my wheels, because, you know, you never want to let that build up. Not good. For the coating, it's not good for any wheels that are coated, and it's definitely not good for your paint. You never really want to let that sit. That's why in the winter, I like to wash my car about once a week if I can. Once every 2 weeks at the very least. Especially being in the Northeast with snow and rougher conditions that we have. It's obviously not as bad as, you know, like Michigan or Ohio or something, but it's not the best either, for real. This is just a bug off. It's a bug remover, but I like it because I feel like it breaks up a lot of that. What am I trying to say? I feel like it breaks up anything that got stuck to the car, you know. Any of the few bugs that might have got on there, especially in the colder months, but I like it because it breaks up a lot. I just use it on the front clip of the car, so you know, the hood, fenders, windshield, and then a little bit of the front of the roof, not all of it. Mirrors, though, this is really good for, like, if your mirrors have bugs or road contaminant or road tar on them, you just spray this down before the pre-wash. Yeah. Here she is. Look how dirty this thing is, man. This thing is caked in dirt, bird poop. Look at this. Inside of the wells. This thing is caked, man. So I just pulled up to the car wash, as you guys can see. When I get here, I pull to the side. So you're gonna first spray the wheels down with pre-wash or whatever. Then you're gonna hit it with the wheel. You're gonna hit the wheels with the regular wheel cleaner on top of the pre-wash. And then I like to put the bug cleaner, the bug remover and adhesive remover just over the front clip, like I said before. So I'm gonna get that done, go through here, pay, and then I'll get back to you guys when we're inside. So as y'all can see, I got the car sprayed down. You can kind of see some of the bug remover on here before the actual wash starts. This place is a touch wash, but I'm really not worried about it at all. The car's getting fully paint corrected and everything, so honestly, to save me the hassle and the stress of trying to find a touch list, I think the nearest touch list to me is like 40 minutes. But let me, it's gonna get loud, so I'll get to you guys when I get out of here and get to the vacuums. As you guys can see, the G8 is now cleaned up, somewhat shining again. I mean, it's the best job a car wash can do. The inside, nice and clean, as you guys can see, smelling good. I mean, you can't really expect much from a car wash, but it's the best it's gonna get for right now. All right, you guys, we just got done at the car wash, man. I know it won't come across that well on camera, how it looks in here, but it's so much cleaner, it smells good. It's always just a relief to have your car clean, for real, man. Right now, I need to run to Home Depot real quick, just to pick up some supplies for the business, and then after that, I think we could get some good POV clips. But let's get over to Home Depot, get that done, and then get into the POV. Alright, you guys, we're leaving out of Walmart now. It's actually been a while since I put the head mount on my head versus on the sunroof angle. You guys gotta let me know in the comments how you feel about the different angles compared to one another. I know some of you guys like the sunroof, and then some of you guys prefer this right here, so I just go based off of what you guys like to see. The more feedback, the better. When?
It's a car meet for my mechanic.
And that's how fast plans get made. Now we got a car meet to go to later on. It's a cop downshift. It's so peaceful when you know you can go past a cop. Your car don't got nothing illegal done to it. You ain't doing nothing illegal. Everything registered, insured. What's a cop gonna do? Nothing. That shit wrong.